Big test for Alphabet's AI capabilities and Sundar Pichai today as Google's annual developer conference I/O kicks off this afternoon. Deirdre Bose is there with what to expect for today's Tech Check. Hey, Dee.
Hey, Carl, that's right. I'm in Mountain View. We're right across the street from Google campus. And, you know, Google has this developer conference every year, but this year is arguably the most important. It is seen as the next big catalyst in the AI arms race that we spend so much time talking about these days. So Google will need to deliver on a few things. And here's what we're looking for. First, Google is going to have to excite developers. That's what it's all about, right? Bernstein writes this morning that winning over developers is the real war. And when you think back to the smartphone era, that's a case in point. It was won by Apple and Google because they were able to convince developers to build apps for its ecosystems, and then the users followed. Second, Google is going to have to ease investor skepticism. You guys might remember that event in Paris, the first real AI event a few months ago. Google lost some 8% on the day, billions in market cap. So really gave the lead, at least in the zeitgeist, to Microsoft and Satya Nadella and ChatGPT. So it has to show investors today that it is not falling behind in this race. And three, Google needs to excite consumers. I don't know about you guys, but, you know, ChatGPT has entered the lexicon. Sometimes I get blank stares when I say the word Bard. So it has to sort of come out with something shiny, something flashy. We know that Satya Nadella at Microsoft has been more bombastic, excited, aggressive in promoting ChatGPT. We'll see if Sundar Pichai can and will do similar things.
It's the juxtaposition is sort of interesting right now, like holding these big, flashy events to showcase new technology at a time where the company is doing layoffs and belt tightening and dealing with pressures on the ad market. It's not alone in this.
Yeah, and those two things really seem to be at odds because it pulls out all the stops for this event. And tech companies in general, when it comes to Microsoft, Google, Meta, Apple, they all have to show that they're leading in innovation, but creating efficiencies in other areas of the business. But artificial intelligence is certainly one area where nobody is scaling back, and none of the big tech companies want to look like they're scaling back. Remember, too, though, this isn't a separate event for artificial intelligence. This is its annual developer conference. This is planned well in advance. So it's taking this opportunity to showcase artificial intelligence, not like Microsoft, which created a whole new event around it.